So super nice little unit. Got two arms. Got your germ light right there. Fill it up right here. This is just out of the sink. And it'll tell you. I don't know how long the video will go here, but it has a little buzzer, or you can hard plumb it. I just do it like this. Goes right over there. Now if you got big dishes, these big ones here, they will fit, but you have to watch the arms. But the bowls, those plates, glasses, there's your noise. Just turn it off. And put your top on. Hit your power button. It's already set on my favorite setting. And it's kind of neat how it works. There's a little spigot right under there that the water will come out, and it fills the base up, and then when it gets totally full, there it is, squirting out. Oh, the light turned off. There we go. And gets totally full, it starts going. So I'm kind of curious to see how long Amazon will let you record, but here's the top unit. I mean, you can hear it. I mean, it washes great. And it dries the whole thing, man. It's for the money and the size. Yeah, it's awesome. Awesome little unit. All right, good luck, guys. Hope you get a good one like I did, but I'm really happy.